This is an introduction to dental charting. A dental chart is a graphical record of what is currently in a patient's mouth. Usually a dentist would ask you to record a dental chart at the examination or checkup appointment. This is one example of a blank dental chart. I will now show you how it correlates to a patient's mouth and how we can learn to record a chart. The first thing we need to do is separate the mouth into sections. The easiest way to do that is to split the mouth into upper and lower. The next thing is to split the mouth into right and left, and we do this by drawing a line down the middle. This line is now known as the midline. Already you can see that the mouth is now split into 4 areas, and these are called quadrants. Now let's establish left and right. When charting, you need to remember that this page is written as if you are looking directly at the patient's face. So if you look at a model, this is the patient's right and this is the patient's left. So when we chart, this side of the chart is the right and this side is the left. To help you remember this, you can draw some eyes on your chart as if your patient is looking at you. So remember, in charting, we are always referring to location as the patient's right side, not yours. Now we can name and number each quadrant. This is the upper right, the upper left, lower left, and lower right. Charting is always clockwise and begins in the upper right quadrant, which is also known as quadrant number 1. The upper left quadrant is quadrant number 2, lower left is quadrant number 3, and lower right is quadrant number 4.